Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from Chapter 8, Periodic Classification of Elements in the part of Roman letter 6, short answer questions of class 10. Question number 1. A is a reddish brown metal which combines with oxygen at less than 1370 Kelvin gives B, a black colored compound. So A is a reddish brown, B is a black color compound. At a temperature is greater than 1370 Kelvin, A gives C, which is red in color. Find A, B, C with reactions. Reddish brown metal is copper. Its symbol Cu. It is going to react with oxygen at a temperature is less than 1370 Kelvin, which gives black color compound. This copper symbol is Cu, react with oxygen at temperature less than 1370 Kelvin, which gives copper 2 oxide, which is black in color. So this is copper 2 oxide. This is compound B. This is compound B, copper 2 oxide. Now we have to equate this balance of equation. Oxygen here 2, here only one oxygen, so you have to put 2. Here 2 copper, here only 1 copper, so to balance you have to use 2. Next, this reddish brown metal, that is copper, react with oxygen at a temperature is more than 1370 Kelvin. It gives Cu2O, that means copper 1 oxide. This copper 1 oxide, red in color. This is compound C. So compound C is copper 1 oxide. This copper is A. Now can balance this equation. Here only one oxygen is there. Here 2 oxygen. So to balance we can use 2. Now 2 2s are 4. So 4 copper came here. So we can use 4 here. So A is copper, B is copper 2 oxide, C is copper 1 oxide. Question number 2. A is a silvery white metal. A combines with O2 to form B at 800 degrees Celsius. The alloy of A is used in making the aircraft. Find A and B. The given clue for A used in making the aircraft. So it is silvery white metal. This will be aluminum. This aluminum combines with O2 at a temperature of 800 degrees Celsius. It gives aluminum oxide Al2O3. Here oxygen is 3, here oxygen is 2. To balance this 3 we can write here, this 2 we can write here. So 2 3s are 6 oxygen, now 3 2s are 6 oxygen. Now aluminum is 4 aluminum, so we have to use here 4. This is compound B, aluminum oxide. A is aluminum, B is aluminum oxide. Question number 3. What is rust? Give the equation for formation of rust. Rust is nothing but when iron is exposed to moist air, it forms layer of brown hydrated ferric oxide on its surface. So on the iron surface, brown layer, that is hydrated ferric oxide, is formed. This compound is known as rust, or simply we can write rust is nothing but hydrated ferric oxide. So when it is formed, when iron is exposed to moist air, it forms a layer of brown, that is compound name hydrated ferric oxide. that is rust. Now we can explain in equation. Iron formula or symbol is Fe. It's going to react with oxygen, that is air, and moist. So moist is nothing but moisture, XH2O. It gives iron oxide, Fe2O3. Here iron oxide is ferric oxide. This ferric oxide is hydrated ferric oxide. For hydrated, here dot XH2O. This compound, this hydrated ferric oxide compound is nothing but rust. Now we can balance the equation. Here 3 oxygens are there, here only 2. So this 3 you can substitute here, this 2 you can substitute here. 2 3s are 6 oxygen, here 3 2s are 6 oxygen, 2 2s are 4, so 4 iron. Now we can write 4 Fe. Equation is balanced. Question number 4. State 2 conditions necessary for rusting of iron. For rusting, 3 things are required. One is iron, then rest of the 2 is a 2 conditions for rusting. That is, one is iron, second is oxygen or air, third one is the moisture. So 2 conditions here: presence of atmospheric oxygen, or you can simply write air. Second one, presence of water, or simply you can write moisture. Thank you, students.